I have a John Deere LT160, Kohler engine, lawn tractor. I replaced the carb thinking it would run the same with a new one. I have now tried to. It is running too many RPMs and have adjusted the governor likage and can't get the RPMs down.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is XXXXX I would like to help you today. Since you have already replaced the carburetor and adjusted the governor, then the only thing that I would have to offer is the possibility that you did not adjust the governor correctly. Let me know if you have a service manual for your engine and also the complete model numbers off of your engine. If the governor is adjusted correctly, then the only other thing it can be is an internal governor gear of shaft failure.
Rich, I just came in from playing with the mower. A nice day here. I made adjustments to the linkage and have it very slow at the midpoint, and then it is going good at the top. Probably need to make a few adjustments. Not sure what I am doing. Kohler HP 16 model, CV4608. I have had it about 8 years. It's been a good mower. Tell me. When you put on new carbs, do they all have to be adjusted with the governor linkage? Jim.
Thank you for the reply. The carburetor on your engine should not need to be adjusted. The governor itself should not need adjusted either, unless you loosen the governor arm on the shaft that sticks out of the engine. Here is a link to the complete service manual for your engine. It will walk you through the exact procedure of adjusting the governor. Adjust the governor per the manual and see if it acts any better. If it still does not act right, then the problem is likely that the governor gear inside of the engine has broken. http://www.mymowerparts.com/pdf/Kohler service and repair manual/Kohler service repair manual command CV11 CV12.5 CV13 CV14 CV15 CV16 CV460 CV465 CV490 CV495.pdf.
I have tried moving the spring on the throttle to different positions without much success. I have been moving the cable on the front side up and down. I now have it running smoothly at full position, but it stalls out down about halfway.
Have you adjusted the idle screw on the carburetor?
Rich, thanks for manual. That will help. When I put on this new carb, there were too many RPMs. Read where that is dangerous, as something could come apart. You say there should not have been any adjustments needed. Did I get the wrong one? I gave the information to the guy at the John Deere dealer here last week.
The carburetor on these new engines has fixed jets, so no adjustments are needed. You do have to adjust the linkages and springs. The best thing to do is look at your old carburetor and see what holes the linkage and springs were in. Once you have them in that position, it should run fine unless the governor arm on the side of the engine needs to be adjusted.
Rich, thanks for the help. I will go over this manual and see what I have been doing. Got a few more weeks before grass needs to be cut. Got an early start, as this problem started about the end of last season. Thanks again and have a nice day. Jim.
Let me know if you need anything else. I wish all of my customers at my shop would start early like you are doing, and then I could avoid the mad rush at the beginning of spring.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.